All right, hello. So right now, what you have been working on is going out and trying to get some video, whether that was on a phone or your Chromebook or using one of the cameras. You've been trying to get that video, and then now you need to bring it in to a Adobe Premiere Pro project, which you have not created yet. So I need to walk you through that. There's a handful of things that you need to do, including making sure that you nail the file structure right. So let me open up Adobe Premiere Pro. Take a second here to load. So once you have this open, the very first thing you're going to do is say, I want to create a new project. Where are you going to create that project? Well, you're going to put it into a folder in your Google Drive, just like we've always done. So you would call it My First Edit. And where am I going to save it? I'm going to select a location. For you guys, you'd go to Google Drive, My Drive, Classroom, and you would find the folder for this class. So I'm going to say period 1, 25, 26. And then you're going to have all the stuff that's in there for your class normally, right? All of your old work. I'm going to right click to create a new folder, and I'm going to call it My First Edit. Inside of that folder, I'm going to create another folder called Assets. And inside of this assets folder is where I'll put all of the source material for my project. So any of my video, my graphics that I create, music, pictures, whatever it happens to be that I'm going to have in my edit, I put into here. You know, funny memes, green screen things, whatever. It all goes into here. So where, though, do you save your project file? You save it in this folder, My First Edit. That's where you save it. So you select this folder for it to go. You don't need to change anything else. You go ahead and hit create. It says, do you want to save it? Yes. In here, you want to make sure that your workspace is in editing. Always do that first so it looks like this. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to get that video, whatever it is, wherever it is, you're going to import it. When I say wherever it is, that's not true because it already should be in that assets folder. So let me show you how you did that. So let's say that you, I'm going to go into My Drive, Classroom, and I'm going to go into that period again. And I'm just going to grab a video that I know exists in here. So this ship video, I'm going to go ahead and just do a copy and pretend that that's the video that I went out there and got. So where am I going to put it? I'm going to come in and I'm going to find My First Edit. I'm going to go into Assets, and I'm going to paste that right here. Now, how are you going to get it into that folder? Well, you're going to get it into that folder because you're going to have taken the video on your Chromebook, and you're going to open up Google Drive and you're going to find where that video is recorded and you're going to drag it into there. Or maybe you have it on your phone. You're going to connect your phone to the computer. You're going to get it so that the phone or the computer recognizes it. You're going to go find that video and you're going to drag it in here. Or you're going to use the Google Drive app on your phone, and you're going to use that to be able to drag the video into this folder. Whatever the deal is, you got to get that video into this assets folder, so that when you come here and you go to import media, another way is that maybe use the camera from me and you use an SD card, right? Let me make this big. So you use an SD card from one of the cameras. Well, then you got to put it in an SD card reader unless you have a computer or laptop at home that you can just put the SD card in. You put that into the SD card reader, you plug it into a USB, and then you just drag it over. You just copy it over just like I did, okay? One of those options, you got to get your stuff into that assets folder. Once you have it in there, then you just need to import it. So you'd click Import Media. And you can see I'm in the My First Edit in the Assets folder. Here is my ship. I click Open. And now I have this source material in here that I can click on and bring it up into this area and do edits and only pull out certain parts, or that I can just drag onto my timeline and then do the editing right from there. But that's a separate video. Right now, I just wanted to show you. You've been going out and getting your video, which is great. Now is the time for you to figure out, how do I get that video off of my device and into Adobe Premiere Pro inside of the file structure that has to be always followed so that stuff doesn't get lost. So you make sure you're putting it in that assets folder, and you're making sure that everything, your project file, all of your assets are in your Google Drive, not saved on the local computer because they'll get deleted. Okay. So hopefully that helps, and that gives you the start that you need. Like I said, coming up soon, there'll be another video of, okay, let's do some edits. What does that look like? How do we put in a transition? How do we add one of our graphics? All of that. And we'll talk about that later.